Tennant Company's T300 walk-behind scrubber consistently delivers reliable, high-performance cleaning results while lowering cleaning costs. Versatility has been engineered into the T300. It tackles virtually any hard surface condition, quickly leaving floors clean and dry. The T300 floor scrubber helps improve your facility's image by keeping floors beautifully clean and ready to use. Enhance your facility's image with Tennant's T300 walk-behind scrubber. Keep high traffic areas looking clean. Reduce costly mild restorations with features like Stone Care Ready electronics, long run times, optimized down pressure and RPM, and ECH2O NanoClean technology. The T300 provides versatility for virtually any floor care situation. This scrubber delivers more uniform cleaning results with intuitive, ergonomic, easy-to-understand controls. Operators of different skill levels can deliver consistent cleaning results for virtually any hard surface floor condition. Uncomplicated controls and operator comfort are essential for delivering consistent cleaning results. The Pro Panel controls, with a familiar touchscreen interface and onboard video tutorials, allows for simple operation for novice operators. Ergonomically designed and simple to understand, the T300 control panel gives operators full control while looking in the direction of travel. Zone settings and supervisor lockout take the guesswork out of scrubbing, enabling operators of different skill levels to consistently deliver effective cleaning results. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.